Hi class. So this is your chapter 13, number 2 on your apply homework. So let's see how to do this problem over here. So it says the following table contains data for a hypothetical closed economy that use dollar as its currency. Now you need to remember that for this problem, your GDP, so GDP, this terrible handwriting, equals to C plus I plus G plus NX. So C is consumption, I is investment, G is government spending, and NX is your net export. So since our economy is closed economy, so for this, you don't have any import or export. So for a closed economy, there is no net export. So for this problem, your GDP formula is very simple. It's just I plus C plus G. All right, so let's look at the problem over here. So the first part says suppose GDP in the country is at $735 million into the amount for consumption. So we have 735 for GDP. We're looking for consumption. Our investment is 210. Government spending is 150. Now this tax minus transfer payment, we're gonna ignore that for now. Okay, so we're going to solve for C. So just use your 735 minus the 210 and then minus your 150. So your consumption is going to end up as 375. So 375 over here. And the next is asking for your national savings. So for national saving is how much money the entire country save. So for national saving, the formula for it is going to be your GDP. So GDP or just Y minus your consumption minus your government spending. That will be our national saving. So let's see if the answer choice is over here. So we have Y minus C minus G. Keep in mind that Y is just stand for GDP, okay? So Y minus C minus G. And then if you go back to your previous formula, this over here under the closed economy, so if you use your GDP minus your consumption minus your government spending, then the only thing left is your investment. So another way of saying national saving is just asking for an investment. And then for this question, our investment is total at $210 million. It's already listed over here. That was easy. And then for private saving. Now for private saving, we're asking for how much the household save. So for household, the saving for household, you're going to take your GDP or total income minus your consumption and also minus how much tax you pay. That's how much money the consumer saving is. So do we have that over here? Private saving? Yes, we do. So Y minus C minus T. And then let's look at our numbers. So Y is 375. So I'm going to use 735 minus your consumption of 375. And then minus your tax of 150. So your personal saving, your private saving is about 210. So let's put that one in there. Private saving is at 210. All right, and then next, your public saving. So public saving, that's how much. Now remember all the tax we're collecting. So all this tax over here is given to the government. So for your public saving, we're asking how much money does the government save. So the government income, that's your tax, minus your government spending, that's your government saving or public saving. So for this problem over here, our tax is 150, government spending is 150. So your total saving, or let's do this one first. So it's going to be T minus G, and then your total saving is at $0. So based on this calculation over here, our government doesn't have a surplus or deficit. This would be weird. Wow. This should be a balanced budget. But the question is asking you is it surplus or deficit. let's just put surplus. I hate doing this because this answer should be a balanced budget. It's not a surplus or a deficit, but let's just put a surplus, see what happens. So grid it now, and I think we actually got it right. So they call it surplus, even though the government doesn't have any. Okay, but you guys get what I mean, right? So if your public saving is positive, then you have a surplus. If it's a negative, you have a deficit. So for this question, the answer should be a balanced budget, but just go with a surplus because that's the answer the system is looking for. All right, guys. So this is how you do number 2 on your chapter 13. So if you have any question, let me know.